Hey baby, it's a video. What are you making?
I'm making whatever it's called.
Cranberry sauce? Yeah.
And I don't know what it's for.
We eat it with your turkey for Thanksgiving. Is that cool?
I didn't know when we were making it.
You did a good job. How you doing? Are you smashing them? Is that the next step?
Smack. What's after this, Mom?
That's basically it. We'll put it in a container, put it in the fridge. Keep smashing them.
I'm smashing the cranberries too.
Yeah. How did you make this?
It's easy.
What was it? What was the
Yes.
first thing we put in? Was water. And then we added what? The sugar? How many cups did you do?
2.
2 cups of sugar. And then what did we do?
And then we started mixing.
We washed the cranberries. And then what did we do?
Start mixing and then
We put the cranberries in the pot once it was at a boil. And then we mixed and mixed and mixed for 10 minutes.
actually more than 10 minutes.
It was 4 cups of cranberries
4 cups?
from the
Whoa.
cranberry farm.
From Savanna's cranberry farm.
Well,
That's
it's not
not-
hers, yeah, but she went to it. And now
Do
we're
you
straining
chug
it and crushing it.
cranberries? What? This isn't working.
Look and smell.
This isn't working, Mama.
It is, you have to push hard.